Gonna be a rock star baby, yeah. Gonna be a rock star. Bring that coach right here. Gonna be a rock star all night.
What up? It's your boy Joey B. Going to do something a little silly. It's called the Rockstar Challenge. Yep, they're gonna give me 4 ingredients, and I gotta make something in 20 minutes. So, bunch of real assholes making me cook real food. Let's go. Oh shit, there's glass in there. All right. Oh, I got this shit in my house. Love this. Kimchi, tortillas, flour, okay. Jumbo sea scallops, okay. Fair enough. And some jalapeños. This is easy. Here we go. We're not doing a taco. We're gonna do a tostada with flour.
Really?
Alright, tostada first. Normally I would roast these, but not now. Taking the seeds out with the sharpest knife in the world, just like on last episode. Who would have thought we would have came in sharper this time? We're gonna do strips. All right, cool. We got scallops, we got kimchi. We're gonna do, I don't fucking know. Do you want me to be creative, or you just want me to make something fucking delicious?
Do whatever, dude.
Fuck it. We're gonna do kind of a fucking scallop fajita. We're doing scallop fajita. You see that technique right there? To help pull shit off? I thought it was gonna be easy, but it's kind of it's not that it's not easy. It's almost too easy, and that's what's scary. You know?
Too easy? Fuck you.
It's almost like it's too easy, but it's not. I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable because like this is all the shit that I would have in my fridge. Like all of this shit is exactly what I would have in my fridge. And I was stoked when I saw it all because we love it at kimchi. Happy Van Winkle.
Oh, you got some?
Little onion. Little carrot wheat.
That shit over here, dude.
It's a secret! Alright, look, I just put like four seasonings. Garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, paprika, salt. Hey, oh, you want me to not try to beat the challenge and then, oh, I still need to talk and then forget about what I'm doing? I'm freaking out here. No, I'm comfortable. I'm lax. Hit it with a little bit of boom.
Smells good, dude.
Cumin. Scallops don't need long to cook, but I need to look at this. Oh, these are big scallops. We're excited! I thought it was a bunch of small ones. Alright, we're gonna treat these bitches like steak. I'm gonna do a medium rare, super fucking high heat. We don't give a shit because bay scallops are delicious. These, yeah, they smell fucking fresh. Let's go. Salt, pepper, cayenne, garlic powder, all that shit. What we're doing right now is, boom. We're just drying these bad boys off so that we can get a crust. Make a good crust with them. We want a good crust if we're gonna do high heat, so that we get, boom, outside. Maillard effect, that's what's gonna happen. Get a little bit of this going. Oh, the wind is blowing. Grab the biggest bowl you can get for seasonings, because that's all you have is the biggest bowl in the world. Garlic powder, coriander, which is just like, you know, cilantro, but that's the seed. Cumin, wangyang. Where the fuck is the salt and pepper? Where'd you put it? You're sabotaging me.
Right in front of you.
It was right in front of me. Who sabotaged me? Alright, boom, boom, boom. Scallop. Scallop. That's all we want. Seasoned like that. Boom. Alright, time!
9 minutes, 30 seconds.
We are creating the Maillard effect. A little fat, some avocado oil, and I'm basically going to pan sear the crap out of these scallops. Oh. Alright, the reason why we didn't season the sides is so that we can watch the sides, because we don't want to cook these all the way. High heat, just a little bit, probably a minute on each side. That's it. Boom. Alright, it's dog day. You know what I'm saying? They're out there. Because it smells good. They want a little bit. Don't mind them. They're just rude neighbors. I'll get you a plate. Don't worry, my dog. Time?
4 minutes and 48 seconds.
Alright, one thing we don't want is this thing to fucking set on fire. Alright, let it rest. Okay.
3 minutes, 52 seconds.
Look at that. Those are time?
3 minutes.
Our scallop all around. We get a crunch from the tostada. Nice grilled, caramelized flavor from your onions. Soft butteriness from our scallop. And then a little dollop or sour cream to hold back on that heat.
1 minute, 50 seconds.
1 minute, 50 seconds. And then, boom, let's hit it with a little bit of that, a little bit of that, some citrus, and then that's it, we're done. I beat you. All right, so here's my 20-minute challenge that I did in 19 minutes and 42 seconds, I think. Go back and look. Anyways, we have a tostada, right? So we took that flour tortilla. Anybody could have made a taco, but we did tostada. We need some crunch, right? So we got a little bit of crunch, then we caramelized some onions, jalapeños, and that kimchi all together, right? So it gave us some like nice acidity, but then also there's some sweetness with the oyster sauce that we threw in there. Got it nice and caramelized, so it's a nice soft texture. Soft texture, crunchy texture, work well together. Then we have the butteriness of this scallop. The butteriness of this scallop with a hard sear. It's gonna give us a little bit of smoky flavor, right? And it's gonna give us this luscious, beautiful, piece of just, it's scallop, bro. Then, a little bit of citrus, you know, to help out that brightness, bring out the brightness of the butteriness. And then a little bit of sour cream, because who don't love a little bit of creme fraiche? And that's a pretty good tostada. All right, let's see how it tastes. I'm gonna cut it up. Ooh, you hear that? It sounds like I made it right. Oh yeah, that sounds like it should have sounded. All right, no bullshit. I'm gonna tell you what I think of what I did. Most of the time, I hate the food I make, but okay, here we go. That's a seafood nacho all day. I think I give myself a 7.4. If I were to grade myself, 7.4. Yeah. As far as flavor, it's a little too on the smoky side for me. I think I added too much paprika, but other than that, I give it a 7.4. But that's my score.
What do you think, Jeremy?
Oh, this is part, not part of the video. Oh, it is part of the video.
It's solid, man.
So I gotta do it over there? Is it the part of the video?
It's solid. You taste the citrus, the scallop. The scallop's the best part.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10, I'd probably say it's a solid 8. It's solid. It's solid. 8.5 maybe. That's solid.
Oh, man. Oh man. No, that's fucking good.
Wrong company.
Bitch, I ain't get a shirt.
Bitch, I ain't get a shirt. That's the Rockstar Challenge. 4 ingredients. 4 ingredients to try to stump me. 20 minutes. I win. In my opinion, I win. I gave it a 7.4. Some other people said 8, 8.5. Tell us in the comments what ingredients you think would stump me in a Rockstar Challenge. Ain't gonna happen.
Gonna be a rock star baby, yeah. Gonna be a rock star. Bring that coach right here.